What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded in a minute, just been working, started another job, but yeah, we did something, guys. About a week ago I picked up this 2017 Toyota Tacoma TRD off-road. Already got 1.5 inch spacer in there, also with a 2.5 inch leveling kit. We did 6K LEDs in the front, and then the yellow fogs, obviously. All right, guys, so it is a couple hours later, well, maybe like an hour or 2 hours later. So you can see we have the extension cord out, we have the Dremel out, there's the ratchet, the heat gun, and whatnot. So let me go inside because it's a little windy. So these wheels are 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. I'm running 1.5 inch spacers all around now because the rear wheels didn't fit on because the wheel studs weren't long enough, so I had to put the spacer on. So yeah, so I have 1.5 inch spacer all the way around now on all four corners. So these are 33 by 12.5 17, and in order to fit these I did have to do a little bit of cutting. I cut some of the fender liner. As you can see, I did cut, but we will have to do a body mount chop in order to fit these properly. Maybe eventually I'll do that. Right now it only rubs on full lock, so it's not really bothering me that much. I did trim a little bit right here, and then in the front I had to cut some of the bumper. I didn't want to do a viper cut just because, I mean, it looks good, but it's not my cup of tea. So what I did was I trimmed some of the bumper, which this set in here like this, or yeah, you get what I mean. Set in here like that, cut it, and I actually got this idea from another YouTuber, so I'll put his YouTube channel. But yeah, he said cut it, and then there's 2 holes down here that you could line it up to. That's exactly what I did. With the heat gun, you kind of mold it into the bumper however you want. This did it for me. Now it's not rubbing in the front at all, it's just rubbing on the body mount. But yeah, that's how she looks with 33 with 12.5 inch, or no, not 12.5, my bad. Yeah, 33's 12.5 tires with a 2.5 inch leveling kit. That's how she sits. So whatever I'll be doing with this truck, I will be updating you guys. Whether, well, I'm thinking about ditch lights. I found a carbon fiber steering wheel for it. I for sure want to upgrade the headlights, and then obviously I want to go off-road with this truck. That's the whole purpose. So yeah, whatever's next, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.